HyperSUI is the next Ether or Hyperliquid that is upcoming, powered by SUI. We're gonna have an update on this, guys, and why currently I'm buying in the pre-market phase. We also have major news talking about HyperSUI, and of course also because of HyperSUI that this is bullish for SUI as well. So we're gonna have a look into that, guys. So welcome everyone on board. We're gonna have a small update on HyperSUI, guys, because this is currently one of the only new pre-sales that I'm buying up right now during this crypto dump. So I have only a few that you can check out here in the video description. And of course, HyperSUI is definitely one that, in my opinion, is a no-brainer that I would jump in as soon as possible, because you can see that the raised funds are going higher and higher with every day. And also you can see in theory how much gains we could do with this one over here. So welcome everyone on board. Make sure to be subscribed on this channel. Check out HyperSUI with the link in the video description, because this is the only place where you can get currently access to this new early access token and project. It is already mentioned, and also they partnered up with different crypto websites and the crypto companies and so on. This is how the DEX is going to look like. We're gonna have a look into that, because we can invest right now into the token before the launch, and this is the next competitor next to all the others that came out during this bull run, like Hyperliquid or Ether. This is from Binance, of course. Also here we're gonna have a limited supply, and of course I'm gonna show you how to participate on this specific crypto right now. Of course, guys, everything is no financial advice. I'm just sharing my own opinions and my own analysis about the markets and whatever coins that I'm buying up right now. And I think that SUI is most likely one like Solana or Ethereum in the back, or the Binance chain back in the days when a new chain has launched that is here to stay. So I think that also HyperSUI is most likely a crypto to watch out right now, because it's the first ever IDO coming out on top of SUI. And here also in this article, it's written that eventually SUI could go to $11 just because of HyperSUI. Of course, no financial advice, no promises, guys, but I think it would be bullish, of course, if SUI, or at least HyperSUI, is going to have a successful launch, that this could fire up, of course, the whole ecosystem for SUI, and we're going to see also more and more projects coming out on top of SUI. And here basically it's written about the market cap of SUI and also the potential of HyperSUI and so on. I mean, they are together correlated, of course, because if SUI is going higher and higher, and we would at some point enter into an altcoin season, doesn't matter if right now or later on, then of course projects like HyperSUI could be very hyped. And in this article also they're talking about HyperSUI. And if you want to get on board, guys, I'm going to show you how to do that. And so first of all, use the link in the video description to go to the website. And here you can read basically everything about the project, how this is going to look like. It's basically another decentralized exchange like we have seen many times. It's just going over SUI. And on SUI, of course, you have even lower fees than everywhere else. Very speed, high transactions, but the key feature here, or the key thing, is that SUI is a very new blockchain, completely new blockchain, that, like we have seen also with Solana or the BNB, like the Binance chain and so on in the past. And that means that the market cap is low, the upside potential is big, because this is a fresh new blockchain that is here to stay, most likely also in future bull runs. Of course, guys, no one knows the future. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything in this video is no financial advice, but in my opinion, SUI is here to stay. And so, of course, also the upside potential, because with a low market cap and with the new projects coming up like HyperSUI, the ecosystem, of course, could be fired up a lot. And here we have basically a new competitor to the very hyped Ether and Hyper from Hyperliquid. Here also we have a limited supply. They're gonna launch at 2.4 million market cap, and in my opinion, probably they gonna launch with higher cap at the end, because you can see how fast this one is growing. So it is possible, of course, that they are also are going to launch with a higher market cap. We will see. But in any case, since this one is so hyped right now, I would definitely buy in. I bought in, and now I'm waiting, of course, for the big launch. If you want to get on board, guys, what you need is here, of course, a wallet like MetaMask. We have different wallets that are supported here, but the cool feature about MetaMask is now that here, let me quickly change the chain here so I can see all my coins. Yeah. So you basically can use different coins to buy into those new pre-sales. You have always to check what is supported. And right now with MetaMask, if you're using MetaMask, you have this rewards system here. So if you're using now MetaMask, you can earn some rewards. You're gonna have in the future probably airdrops or less trading fees, transaction fees, and so on. I don't know exactly what those points are for what this is all about, but you can earn them whenever you do transactions or whenever you use MetaMask. That's why I'm using also here for HyperSUI MetaMask. You just connect the wallet. You can see that many wallets are supported. And if you sign up right now to MetaMask, the link is right here in the video description. I'm gonna keep it here. You automatically gonna earn some reward coins if you use my link whenever you set up a MetaMask wallet, or also if you just download the app with my link, because then automatically you will get some reward tokens here directly into your MetaMask, and then you can connect to it and you can use here basically your MetaMask wallet to buy into HyperSUI. Of course, also credit card is supported. This is also an option, but I would definitely go with cryptos. Especially I'm using Ethereum now because Ethereum so far was very disappointing in my opinion. That's why I'm using my Ethereum to buy into those low market cap coins. And then here you put the amount that you would like to invest. Those are the tokens that you're gonna get. If you spend a certain amount, as you can see, you can also get a certain bonus here as well, up to 12%. If you spend at least $1,500, the minimum I think is $85, which is basically nothing, guys. And here you can see that currently on this current stage, this one keeps going on and on as soon as the countdown is going down to 0. And this is the current price, because this also keeps going higher and higher until 9 cents. And at 9 cents, this one is launching on exchanges, or the token will be launching on DEXs. The exchange listings, we don't know yet when and where. But once this one is coming out at 9 cents, I'm pretty bullish for HyperSUI, not only because right now we can buy in, of course, at much cheaper prices, but also for future upside. Because this one is launching at 9 cents, but the market cap is very low. That means that the upside potential, in my opinion, is very big here. So I bought in. If you also want to do that, guys, use the link in the video description, because we can just buy and wait until launch. Of course, every now and then you can buy more if you want, but keep in mind that the price keeps always going higher and higher, and then we reach probably towards the end very soon and very close to the 9 cents area. Then, of course, it's not anymore so attractive. So buying earlier is always better, because then we get in at cheaper prices, and once this one is launching, of course, we have the biggest upside potential. There is no staking rewards right now available here. Staking will be later on available with the tokens once the DEX is live. So once here the DEX is live, and you can see how easy it is here then in the future to trade. You can even do leverage trading here directly decentralized on HyperSUI. So this, in my opinion, is something that is missing on SUI, and that's why I think that after Ether and Hyperliquid, this one could be the next big thing. Of course, guys, this is all my own opinions and my own observations, and why I'm currently buying in, and why I also believe that it's so hyped. You can see that how fast and how much funds they're raising is, of course, insane. In just like 2 weeks, over 2 million already. And of course, if you want to get on board, use MetaMask, in my opinion. You can also use other wallets, but with MetaMask right now we have the chance also to get those nice points as well. Those rewards points. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Let me know if you already invested into HyperSUI like me or not, and what do you think about the SUI blockchain. Let me know that in the comment section. I'm very interested, of course. And also join my other social media platforms that are all here in the video description, and watch the videos that are popping up here at the end of this video as well. Thank you for watching, and see you all in the next one. Bye for now.